Oh. Have you already started the video?
Yes, already.
Oh. Hi guys. Matt's been a goofball.
Yep.
Ghost Dog branded Ghost Pepper Whiskey. Burn!
No dicking around here.
No, it's gonna burn.
Just a little
Literally,
guy.
you open up the cap, give it a whiff, all you smell is pepper. That's it.
The actual pepper flavor, not the
actual
heat.
pepper flavor itself. So, I don't know what I'm getting myself into here. This may or may not have been spiked and or aged.
Actually, I think it was aged.
Was aged?
I think so. Like a 3 years aged, maybe.
Maybe.
I would have said it on the bottle if it did.
No. Best served chilled. Yeah, no shit. Corn whiskey. Well, that explains the color. With smoked ghost pepper. Okay. Okay. Chambers Bay Distillery. University Place?
Mm-hmm.
Washington. Okay. Distilled in Florida. Alright. So, I'm going to just take a sipper here. Because like I said, I don't know what I'm getting myself into. Here it goes.
I heard the glub glub glub. Breathe in through your mouth, don't forget.
Surprisingly, the whiskey isn't bad.
How's the heat?
Just now kicking in.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
And you got yourself into it. Because you opened it.
Mmm. Pretty fucking tasty, though.
Not something I'm ballsy enough to drink.
Actually, right now, this has less heat than a jalapeno.
At the moment.
At the moment.
Willing to bet if you have another sip, it'll change.
No.
No?
No. It won't change, because the burn's already going away.
Down the hatch?
Maybe. You want a sip of this?
Oh, hell no. Hell no. I already feel like shit and run down. I don't need the runs to go with it.
Okay.
Oh, shit.
Woo! Woohoo!
Did it pick up?
Woohoo! Yeah.
Oh, I could smell it. Oh. I can fucking smell that. Oh my god.
Dude, this is roasted. Okay, this is roasted peppers. There's not as much spice, surprisingly.
There's a lot of flavor.
Lots of flavor, nice and smoky. Dude, I want a fifth of this. Pulled pork.
Yum. That sounds good.
Yeah. This with pulled pork barbecue.
Or chicken. No, chicken doesn't have enough flavor.
If you're gonna
Beef.
do a Caribbean jerk, you could do it.
How jerky of you.
Yeah, just don't jerk it.
You just got a king salmon it, didn't you?
You're making me crazy.
Stop with the fuzzy navel. Just stop with the fuzzy navel.
The hilarious thing is there's actual Caribbean jerk spice called Jamaica Me Crazy.
There's also a wine cooler called Jamaica Me Crazy.
Mm-hmm.
And fuzzy navel.
No.
Dipato.
Dipato.
And he wasn't fooling around. It's made right here.
Mm-hmm. Well, it's distilled in Florida, but it's looks like it's headquartered here in Washington. Actually, not far from the UW.
University Place.
Yeah, which is right next to UW. Which is pretty cool. A local company. Ghost Dog.
Focus.
Ghost.
There you go.
Chili. Whiskey. Later, guys.